Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to take an ordinary empty sardine can, something you'd normally just throw away, and transform it into an incredibly useful and powerful tool that will absolutely revolutionize your DIY projects. First things first, I'm starting with a humble sardine can. After enjoying the delicious contents, I've carefully emptied it into a bowl and saved the oil as well. This empty can is usually destined for the trash, but not today. Now that the can is completely empty and cleaned out, I'm using a utility knife to meticulously remove the paper label around the can. This is important to ensure I have a clean, smooth metal surface to work with for the next steps, making sure no paper residue interferes with our modifications. With the can cleaned, I'm going to mark 2 points on the top surface and 1 on the side using a marker. These marks are crucial because they indicate where our electrical components will be installed. I'll then use my drill with a standard bit to carefully create the initial holes at these marked spots. Accuracy here ensures proper alignment later on. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. To accommodate our components, I need to enlarge these holes. So, I'm switching to a step drill bit. This allows me to gradually increase the size of the holes on both the top and the side of the can, creating a perfect fit for a secure and stable connection without damaging the thin metal. Here, I have some small brass components, which are essentially valve stems, along with their corresponding nuts. These will serve as our primary connection points, so it's vital to have them ready. I'm inserting the first brass component through one of the enlarged holes on the top of the can. Then, I'm securing it tightly with a nut. This creates a solid anchor point that will withstand the forces applied during use. This prevents any looseness that could compromise the tool's performance or safety. Next, I'm repeating the process for the second brass component. It's important to make sure these are tight to prevent any wiggling or electrical shorts. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. And now for the side component. I'm carefully inserting the third brass piece into the enlarged hole on the side of the can and securing it with another nut. This one will be used for our handle attachment, providing stability. To ensure everything is perfectly snug, I'm using a pair of pliers to give each nut a final tighten. For the handle, I've got a wooden dowel. I'm measuring and marking a specific section that will be perfect for a comfortable grip. Precision here is key for a well-balanced tool. I'm securing the wooden dowel in a vise, making sure it's firmly held in place. Then, I'm using a saw to carefully cut along my mark. Having it secure in the vise ensures a straight and clean cut, giving us a good base for our handle. Now, with the wooden piece cut to size, I'm clamping it back into the vise. I'm using a drill bit to create a pilot hole right through the center. This hole is essential for mounting our brass components securely. To ensure a tight fit for the brass component, I'm widening the pilot hole using a step drill bit. Then, I carefully fitted a nut onto the wooden handle and gently hammered it in. This snug fit is crucial for the handle's stability and to prevent it from rotating during use. I'm taking an electrical cord and stripping a section of the insulation. Then, I'm threading one of the exposed wires through the center of the wooden handle and into the side brass component of the can. This is our first electrical connection, leading to the handle. Next, I'm stripping another section of the electrical cord, exposing more copper wire. This will form the second part of our internal wiring within the can. Inside the box, I'm threading the first piece of wire through one of the brass components at the top. I made sure to secure the copper wires tightly wrapped around the threaded section. Now, I'm taking the second strip wire and feeding it through the remaining top brass component. It's essential to route the wires carefully to avoid any tangles or shorts. I'm bending and securing the second wire to its brass component inside the can, ensuring a solid contact. At this point, all the internal wiring is complete and the can is connected to our wooden handle, ready for its final transformation. Now for the core of our tool, the electrodes. I've collected some old batteries, and I'm carefully extracting the carbon rods from inside. These carbon rods are excellent conductors and will generate the heat we need. Remember to be safe when disassembling batteries. I'm inserting the carbon rods into the two top brass components on the can. They fit perfectly, creating a sturdy and effective set of electrodes for our new tool. This completes the assembly of our DIY device. All right, it's time to bring this ingenious device to life. I'm connecting the electrical cord to a plug, which is then connected to a robust 12-volt battery. All connections are secure, ensuring we have a stable power supply for our test. I'm placing two metal multi-purpose cutting blades on a block of wood. Watch closely as I bring the carbon rods of our device into contact with the metal. See that immediate glow and spark? Our homemade spot welder is working perfectly, creating small, localized welds. This shows the incredible power we've harnessed from a simple sardine can. And there you have it, a powerful, portable spot welder made from an empty sardine can. This project proves that with a little creativity, you can turn everyday items into incredibly functional tools. If you enjoyed this transformation and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.